I'm working as a technical project manager in the digital service department of the International Customer Service of KNAPP, and I'm working on the condition monitoring and predictive maintenance. So the customer service of KNAPP is based on the support of the warehouses and logistics system around the globe 24/7 in an agile and efficient way. We can achieve this thanks to a wide portfolio of services. We have both people and the digital solution implemented. So if on one hand we have these most traditional services, so the service desk, the consulting, training, and then the maintenance thanks to our field engineer. On the other hand, we have digital tools that we can use to visualize parameters in real time inside the warehouses, and then use these to optimize all the processes inside the warehouse in terms of people, in terms of production, in terms of maintenance. So I would like to start with a question. What if I can tell you that we can actually predict that one of your equipment is going to break in 2 weeks? So we can achieve this thanks to additional sensor and all the digital information that we have from our softwares. And in this way, we can move from a more traditional approach of reacting and predictive maintenance to a more advanced approach where we can actually plan maintenance much better, increase the availability of our system, and also be more sustainable because we don't have to maintain as much as we would do with the preventive maintenance. So in a more green direction as well. So we can use our digital sources as a database for machine learning algorithms that are used of course, in different way to create these predictive models. So we take the information particularly from analytics from our CMMS. In particular, CMMS is very important for building these predictive models because we have a track of all the reactive maintenance that we had in the last years, for example. And this information is very vital for the machine learning algorithm to train itself and actually to be optimized for a specific customer, for example, because a thing that we saw that is very fascinating from a data analysis perspective is that every warehouse is a kind of an ecosystem. So of course there are generalities in what we can do with the data and what we see with the data and the models that we can build. But at the same time, we saw with the analysis we did so far that these models have to be adapted for every customer because any warehouse is a standalone system. The part of the project that I like the most is that we have to speak with different people, with different experts inside the company. And this is probably one thing that makes it also challenging, but also nice at the same time, because you have really time to talk to a lot of people and also learn a lot from them. So one thing that I really value in customer service is trust with the customer service. I think that the client needs to be happy how the situations are handled. So there can be mistakes from both sides, there can be error, okay. Of course you have to be prepared if you want to be in that position. But at the same time, if I don't have an answer immediately, I can also be patient and then wait for this answer. I'm not there saying I try to give you an answer that is not correct. I can tell you I don't know it right now, but I can do my best to give you this answer like as soon as possible.